Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Oloshola David, and today you welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can start making money with Opera News Hub. Not only will I show you how you can make money with this platform, I will also show you how you can automate the whole process that is guaranteed to make you at least 100,000 naira every blessed month. This is going to make you less involved in the activity, but at the same time make most of it. Okay, so even while you sleep you can make money from Opera News Hub. So this is basically what it means. Okay, but before we proceed, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, simply pause this video, scroll down, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. This is going to allow you to be the first person to get notified when I create a new video. Okay, so pause the video, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Okay, all right, thank you for doing that. Without any further ado, let's get down to business. Alright, so as you can see, this is the sign up page. I'll be adding the link to the sign up page at the description of the video. I've also written an in-depth article on how to set everything up. Okay, I'll be adding that to at the link. I'll also be adding that at the description of the video, so you can as well check it out and check it on my blog. Alright, so as you can see, what you have to do right now is just click the sign up button. After that, it's going to prompt you to sign up with Facebook. Okay, make sure you are logged in to your Facebook account on the browser you are using to sign up on the Opera News Hub. Okay, so once you are logged in on the browser already, click on the continue with Facebook. Okay, so it's going to redirect you to Facebook. So this is one of my Facebook accounts. I'm logged in already, and what I'm going to do is simply click the confirm button. Okay, so I'm going to confirm it and I'm going to fill out the form. Okay, so this is a testing account, as you can see. So but in your own case, this is going to be the name of your blog on Opera News Hub. Okay, let's say this is not going to be your actual name, but a username or a blog name you want to use on Opera News blog, you can just say the pro blogger. Okay, so choose your category. If it's going to be entertainment, if it's going to be, okay, let me remove that. All right, pro blogger. So choose your category. It's going to be politics and policy, entertainment. Now this doesn't mean you'll be limited to this category. Okay, just choose any category. Once your account is active, you can create content from several categories on the platform. Okay, so yeah, you can choose your picture, and if you don't want to use your picture, you can use any picture you want. Okay, so the description is going to be a short description on what you want to be writing about. Okay, so you can just say get updated on everything related to politics. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so after that, scroll down, then click the next button. Account page. Now this is where you fill your personal details. Okay, so here is going to be your first name, Bishora, then your legal name, your country, your email address is going to come here. Alright, so your phone number is going to come here too. Alright, so make sure this is going to be your OP number. This is the number to which they are going to pay you via OP. Okay, they are going to pay you via OP, and your phone number here, your OP number, is going to be your wallet account number. So make sure you add your original OP number, and if you don't have an OP account, it's free. Just go to Play Store, download the OP app and create an account. Okay, so your number is going to go here, I mean your OP number. Okay, so just put it here and click the confirm button. Okay, I'm not going to click the confirm button because I have an account already. Instead of me clicking the confirm button, I'm going to show you my personal account and show you how things is done. So once your account is activated, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so from your account, you can scroll to the left and click on the create button to create a new content. So your content title is going to go here. You can just come up with anything. Why do men cheat? Or how to if you can just come up with any content idea. You can just come up with any title. Okay, so the actual content is going to be here, and if you want to add image, click on this icon to add image. If you want to add link, use this, then use this to apply header on your content. Okay, so I said I'm going to show you ways at which you can automate the whole process. All right, let's say you are busy, you don't have time to create content for yourself, and you want to partake from this opportunity. Now what you have to do is, I'll be showing you ways at which I've been doing it. Okay, I'll be adding a link at the description of the video. This is the link to the platform that helps me to create content. Okay, let's say you don't have time to create content yourself, you can actually outsource the content to people that can write it for you. They charge as low as $2 per content. Okay, all right, so let me show you this platform. Alright, so this is the platform I use to create content. Okay, so once you've created an account with this platform, what you have to do is just specify the title of the content you want to write. Let's say we want to write something on how to know if he's cheating. Alright, so let's say this is the title of your content. What you have to do here, just choose the category of what you want to write about, which is relationship. Okay, choose the total number of words. I usually go for 150 to 300 and maximum of 500. So let's just go with 150 to 300 as an example. Okay, so language, English British, it could be English American. So the writer limits, you can make it a day, you can make it 2 days. I usually go with 2 days. Alright, so beginner is going to do the article quantity, it's 1. I go with friendly. Alright, so keywords, you can just leave that. So as you can see, 1.85 cents, $1.85. So this is the total number of money is going to cost you to create this content. So now think of it this way. Let's say you are creating 5 articles per day. Okay, so that means you're paying around $10 for, not up to $10, I think around $10 for 5 articles per day, and you were consistent with this and you were able to do this for the next 30 days. So at the end of 30 days, you're going to have over 100 content published on the Opera News Hub. Now let's assume you're making at least 1,000 naira per content and you have over 100 content published already. So that's over 100,000 naira passive income. So at the end of next month, this content you've published already is still going to make you money. So this is how it works. So even when you stop working, the work you've done already is still going to generate you more and more money. Alright, so if this is what interests you, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will drop the link of this platform at the description of the video. I'll also drop the link of the article I've written about the whole process at the description of the video, so you can as well check it out. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified when I create a new one. Alright, thank you for watching. I will see you on the